Okay, welcome back. What I want to do today is I really want to, this is for my helium people, humanitarians, helium humanitarians. That's a good name for all the people that follow helium and try and do mine helium for the Internet of Things. So I'm going to go over some, and remember, this is only for educational purposes only. I am not a stockbroker, nor is this advice about how to trade helium or actual prices of helium. I can just take a pretty good guess. Let's just first of all look at the price of helium where it was at even a year ago. So we were at like $3.91. And today, currently, we're at around, I thought, yeah, $27, $28. Okay, in between that range. And already a few days ago, and we'll discuss this, we just hit a low. And I will show you some. This is almost looks like a reverse cup and handle, but it didn't fulfill that. So let's look at, and again, what have we seen over a period of time? It does go up. Okay, we'll look at some price predictions of what helium will be like in the next few years in a little while. So let's take a look at basically the next month. And I wish I could use TradingView to show you some of the indicators using RSI and using moving averages to determine some of these things. Now, if we just look at the price and then we're looking at the last month, this is a reverse cup and handle, which would indicate that the price will be going back up in the short term. So I would look for it to try to hit at least, and let's go back out, we'll zoom so that we can look at some points. So we can look at a couple of the first major resistance points seem to be around, well, right about where we're at, $27 right here. Okay, I could draw a resistance point between 27.5 and about, well, the bottom right here, 26.8, something like that. We're going to hit another resistance when we get back up to here and we get up to this zone and we hit around, I thought it was around $30. And actually, let's go up to here. Yeah, we're going to hit it around the $30, $31 range. You can see that there's multiple different instances at which we had resistance. In other words, it might have gone up and broken through, but we did get a repeat back there. But what do we get? Another retracement here. So we're going to be looking at that and what the overall projection for helium is. This is a short-term analysis right now. So we can look back up here, then we're going to have another resistance point around $36. Let's hope we can get back up to there in the short term. I'm thinking maybe we can get back up to the $31 range. And I'm talking about sometime within maybe the next month. And I'm thinking in the next 2 to 3 weeks because of what I showed you with it looked like a cup and handle. But I really like using like weekly candles when I look at things, especially using TradingView. And in the week, we're kind of just moving sideways. So you're seeing this, and we can get some better ideas. Now, remember, cryptocurrency and helium, for that matter, and the whole market is really very correlated to the stock market. So if something happens, Russia invades Ukraine, these are called black swan events. They really kind of destroy all sorts of predictions. So what am I looking for in the short term? I'm looking for it to pull up. And, you know, I don't blow hopium up anybody's rear end. So I will tell you the truth when I feel like it may be going back down, and we will see a correction in the teens at some point. That's just another great buying opportunity. So we can discuss some of the things that you are doing currently with your helium, what I'm doing with my helium, and you know, some of my mining units. So I wanted you to take a look at kind of my earnings. Right now. I'm low Viridian Cheetah. If we look at all my different unions, I'm pretty much blowing away all the competition. So it shows that the earnings for the network average are less than a third a half to a third of what I'm actually earning. And my hotspot is relayed as well. I've tried the 44158. The problem is I'm running two different routers, and that seems to be an issue as far as actually unrelaying. All right, so that is one thing. So let's, I just wanted you to see that as a miner, I've got right now 31 different units up and running, and I am making around close to 10 helium per week from maybe a little bit more, maybe about 12 helium per week. Now I have basically all of them anywhere from 3 dBIs, 5.8s and 8s. I even have 1.9 dBi antenna. All right, so that gives you a little bit of hint. And you know, please leave your comments below, and if you find what I'm doing helpful, please like and subscribe this video and tell your friends. Let's develop a community. I will try to get these videos out a little bit more often, so we have a weekly update, at least to begin with, as far as helium, the direction, kind of what's happening with maybe some of my units, why some of you are underperforming. I'll be more than happy to help you out, especially if you just leave your comments below. So I found this website, and I've got some other ideas besides what they're saying. So I'm going to scroll down because they're looking at, you know, what's happening in the next year, helium price market currently. And it looks like it was looking at, what, $14. Now it says between 21 and 25. Let's look at some of their predictions. All right. They say at the early stages, $14. Remember, I did have that as one of our base points, and I'm saying $14 to $19. It will hit in that range sometime this year, and I'm thinking before summer. So that's a great time to buy, okay? And if you want to sell at the top, we're going to be looking for some indicators at which we could sell and buy back later, and just leave it as stable coins. All right, their price prediction for this year is 25 to 30. We're already there. What did we even see earlier? We saw a $52 helium token. So I think some of these things are skewed. You just have to understand how cryptocurrency works and not be afraid of the huge swings that happen, because 50% changes are regular. So you can go up and down. Now, my goal is to really keep a lot of the helium that I'm mining for 5 years, and we're just going to see. It's kind of like a science experiment for me, being a science teacher. So some of the other price predictions they have this going up to $42 by 2025. My calculations say between $150 and $175 by 2025, and my goal is close to $200 by 2026, which we started this adventure sometime at the beginning of 2021 with helium. I'm also mining Dogecoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin as well with some of my ant miners. So if you're curious about that as well, I'm more than happy to help you. I hope you found this video helpful and it was informative for you. And again, please like and subscribe, tell your friends. Let's build a community. I will help you. I'm a member of iHub, so I do have a team, and let's grow our community and see if we can't help each other earn some more helium tokens. All right, and again, tell me what you want me to do a video on. I'm more than happy to do it. All right, as always, God bless you and have a great night and peace out.